Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the new Western Children and Adolescents Hospital. This is a hospital being built in Montego Bay, Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that talks about the progress going on with the hospital, and then we discuss it after. Construction of the Western Children and Adolescents Hospital in St. James is progressing well, says Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. the Honorable Chris Tufton. Speaking after a tour of the development on January 6, along with the Cornwall Regional Hospital, which is being rehabilitated, Dr. Tufton said there are no apparent issues with both project sites. Ground was broken in October 2019 for the new 250-bed 7th-floor facility being built on the compound of the Cornwall Regional Hospital. The $43 million hospital is a gift from the government of the People's Republic of China. When completed, the state-of-the-art institution will treat children and adolescents up to 18 years old. We had a concern because you see the proximity between the work that is going on in the main building, and of course we have an active hospital, so we are treating patients at the same time. My understanding from the clinical team is that they are making their best effort to keep everything within the parameters, Dr. Tufton informed. This is highly unusual. It's a unique situation. It requires logistics, it requires management, it requires understanding, accommodation, and requires a lot of hard work and dedication, the minister added. Dr. Tufton expressed gratitude to the Cornwall Regional Hospital's clinical team for their effective management of patient care at the facility, despite construction activities taking place on the compound. He also lauded the project management teams for spearheading work at the Children's Hospital as well as the Cornwall Regional Hospital's rehabilitation. The minister pointed out that the cultural dynamics at the site are working, as there is a complement of 65 Jamaicans and 58 Chinese nationals employed. He, however, lamented the scarcity of skilled workers. A construction site may require some unskilled labor, people carrying the steel and the mortar, and so on. But more importantly, it requires skilled personnel, particularly because this plant requires significant structural integrity for infection prevention and control. This is not a regular site. It's a plant with a lot of moving parts, where lives depend on it, he maintained. So we have had some issues in the availability of labor and skilled labor, but I think the team has been accommodating in terms of sourcing and working with local labor. But where necessary, we have to bring in labor. We have to bring labor in, the minister added. Dr. Tufton further stated that 2023 will be a significant year for healthcare delivery and infrastructure development in Jamaica. Alright guys, that's the end of the article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. I think this is an excellent idea and something that caught my attention in the article. The $43 million hospital is a gift from the government of the People's Republic of China. Now, it's not the gift part. That is great that China is giving us a hospital, but they're saying $43 million for the hospital, US dollars. Now, it's a 250-bed 7th-floor facility. 43 million just sounds cheap for a hospital. I mean, could the government really not build a hospital in Portmore for 43 million US dollars? To the government, that is nothing. They are spending $120 billion on a road. So 43 billion, that is, I mean, the government should really Unless it is the maintaining and running of the hospital that is extremely expensive. But 43 million does not sound expensive for a hospital. I mean, it's for a hospital, 43 million is a small price when we're talking about a government. So guys, let us know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. And I'm just saying the government should be building more hospitals if it costs 43 million US to build a 250 bed hospital. I think they'll be able to build a hospital in Portmore, hospital in other parts of the country. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.